Hey everyone, welcome to the section 2 of our Databricks and Spark course. In this section, we are going to see how we can set up different environments for practicing Apache Spark as well as Databricks. So let's see what are the different ways we can practice. The first one is Databricks Community Account, and in this lecture we are going to set up Databricks Community Account. After that, we will see how we can set up Databricks Professional Account, setting local Spark environment on Windows, set up local environment on Linux, and we will also see how we can set up Jupyter Notebook for practicing the client mode of the Apache Spark, or in the notebook how we can practice Apache Spark. So let's start with this lecture. In this we are going to see how we can set up Databricks community account. So this is the link databricks.com/try-databricks account. Okay. So in this link I am going to click yes. So you will land to this page after that, and you can see Databricks is providing you the free community account where you can practice Databricks and Spark. It will provide you one cluster where you can practice and without any charge, and it will provide some functionalities or basic necessary functionalities of Databricks that are needed, such as DVFS. And if you have your cloud account with Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, or Microsoft Azure, then you can have a free account of Databricks with full features for 14 days. We will see that in later lectures as well. Okay. For setting up this account, you need to provide these details to the Databricks. The first is you need to provide your username or your first name. Then you need to provide your last name. Then you need to provide email address, company, title, your phone number optional, and country. Okay, you need to fill all this detail to start the account. So I am going to create my account. Okay, this is my email. I will provide my company name. Then I will provide my phone number, but that is optional, so I am not providing it. Then my country is India, and here why do you want to, what do you want to build it with the this Apache Spark or the Databricks Community Edition. Okay, so I'm just selecting learning certifications, etc., etc. You can select as per you need. But the thing is, here you will see I am submitting, so I will continue. Okay, now it will ask you for selecting any of the three cloud vendors, but don't select. If you select this and continue, you will redirect it to 14 days free trial version, but we want Databricks Community Edition. Okay, so for that personal use, you can see this button, get started with Databricks Community Edition, and just click on that. Okay, so it says check your email to start your trial. Okay, so this is our email, and I will check my email. So you will see you can get this kind of email from Databricks to set up or reset your password. Okay, get started by visiting this. So I will click here on this link to reset my password or to set up the password for the Databricks Community Edition, and you will redirect it to this page. So I will set up my password. I will confirm the password. Okay, and I will hit on the reset button. So my password is reset. Okay, so for this I will see my password. Please remember your password for your future uses. Okay, and you can access community.cloud.databricks.com. If I will show you how you can access in future. Databricks community login. Okay, you can search with Databricks community login, and you will get to this page. So right now I am logged in, so that's why I am directly redirected to this page. So in your case you can get to Databricks community login. Okay, so I will log out and I will show you how we can log in again. Okay, once you log out you will get to this page, and your username is your email address and your password is whatever the password you have used. I suggest you to bookmark this item or bookmark this link to your bookmark bar, and let's start. And this is our password, so I will hit, and you can see I am easily able to log in to Databricks workspace. Okay, in this way you can start your Databricks Community Editions account. In the next lecture we will see the overall workspace interface of Databricks and some basic things that are needed to start practicing the Databricks. Okay, so this is all for this video and I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, happy coding.